Welcome to video lectures of food technology. I am Pavana Channupati. Today we are going to discuss the topic pigments. In the previous video, we discussed the introduction and classification of pigments in food industry. Today we will be discussing the plant pigments given in the GATE syllabus that are carotenoids, chlorophyll, anthocyanins and tannins. Moving on to the topic, carotenoids. Carotenoids are the nature's most widespread pigments. They provide the characteristic yellow, orange, and red colors of many fruits, vegetables, and plant life. They are heat stable and lipophilic in nature. Over 700 carotenoids have been identified in nature, while only 60 or so exist in the foods consumed by humans. In higher plants, carotenoids in chloroplasts are often masked by the more dominant chlorophyll pigments. Their oxygenated derivatives are called xanthophylls. Carotenoids are made up of 8 isoprene units. This is the structure of isoprene, and these are the structures of carotenoids. This is the structure of carotene, and this is the structure of xanthophylls. These are few other structures of carotenoids. This is the structure of alpha carotene. Alpha carotene yields one vitamin A molecule on cleavage. Beta carotene yields two vitamin A molecules on cleavage. This is the structure of beta carotene. This is the structure of alpha cryptoxanthin. It is beta cryptoxanthin. It is lutein, and it is zeaxanthin. Carotenoids are lipid-soluble hydrocarbons. Due to their insolubility and instability in water, they are not used as food colorants. They exist in free state in plant tissues as crystalline or amorphous solids or in solution in lipid media. They occur as esters or in combination with sugars and proteins. When bound to proteins, they can exhibit green, blue, purple colors as well. Chemically, they are called as tetraterpenoids. Alternate double bonds in the structure is responsible for the color of carotenoids. In nature, carotenoids have more stable trans configuration. Functions of carotenoids. The main important function is the photoprotection activity in plant tissue. That is, they protect the plant cell from the damage caused due to sunlight. They act as antioxidants, attraction of pollinators, and acts as precursors of vitamin A in the human body. Carotenoids and their occurrence. In some plants, they occur as beta carotene. In carrots, we find alpha carotene. Beta cryptoxanthin is seen in tangerines and papaya. Astaxanthin is seen in salmon and shrimp. Red peppers and paprika contains capsanthin. Corn, leafy greens, and marigolds contain lutein. Zeaxanthin is seen in goji berries. Lycopene in tomatoes. Violoxanthin in leafy greens, and Bixen pigment in annatto seed. And the next pigment is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll are the major light harvesting pigments in green plants, algae, and photosynthetic bacteria. They are responsible for the bright green color of many fresh vegetables and are linked to consumer perception of quality. Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B are the predominant chlorophylls in foods and are found in green plants in an approximate ratio of 3:1. In leaves, chlorophylls are located in the plastid bodies, so called as chloroplasts, which are 5 to 10 μm long and 1 to μm thick. Within it are smaller particles called grana, which are of diameter 0.2 to 2 μm. Chlorophyll molecules are substituted cyclic tetrapyroles with a centrally coordinated magnesium atom. They are derived from porphyrin, which is a fully unsaturated macrocyclic structure containing 4 pyrrole rings linked through methane bridges. These are the reactions of chlorophylls. Chlorophylls, in the presence of enzyme chlorophyllase at the temperature 65 to 70 degrees C, yield chlorophyllides with the removal of phytol pigment. Chlorophyllides are green in color and more stable than chlorophylls. Chlorophylls, upon removal of magnesium ion in the presence of acids, yield pheophytins, which are olive brown in color. Pheophytins, on the removal of phytol, compound form phenophorbite, which are olive brown in color. Chlorophyllites, upon removal of magnesium ion, form phenophorbite. Chlorophylls are fat soluble and water insoluble. Chlorophyll in chloroplast form protein chlorophyll complex, and then this complex is surrounded by protein lipid bilayer, thus making chlorophyll stable in it. Attempts to preserve the color of chlorophyll. Generally, chlorophyllites are more stable than chlorophylls. Therefore, chlorophylls are converted into chlorophyllites by means of naturally occurring chlorophyllase enzyme. But this enzyme functions at the temperature in the range of 65 to 75 degrees C. Because of the high temperature used, products processed by this method lose color on standing. Another method is the use of alkalizing agents to produce a higher pH in the system and thus minimize pheophytin formation. High temperature short time processing has also been used to stabilize the chlorophyll molecule during heat processing. This is the structure of chlorophyll molecule with magnesium ion at the center surrounded by 4 pyrrole rings. Chlorophyll A consists of CH3 molecule at this position and chlorophyll B consists of CHO molecule at this position. And the next pigment is anthocyanin. Anthocyanin are the subgroup of flavonoid compounds. Anthocyanins are responsible for a wide range of colors in plants, including blue, purple, violet, magenta, red, and orange. Anthocyanin is derived from the two Greek words anthos, flower, and cyanos, meaning blue. Water-soluble compounds present in the cell sap. They have potential health benefits and their potential use as food colorants. More than 700 different anthocyanins have been identified in the plant world. An anthocyanin free of sugar substitution is known as anthocyanidin, which is aglycone portion. 27 different naturally occurring anthocyanidins. 90% are derived from the 6 aglycones, which are mainly cyanidin, delpidin, malvidin, pelargonidin, peonidin, and petunidin, which occur commonly in foods. Anthocyanins are less water soluble and their corresponding glycosides and tend to be highly soluble. Base structure of anthocyanins are polyhydroxy and or polymethoxy derivatives, 2-phenyl benzopyrrolium of flavium salt. Anthocyanin differ in the number of hydroxyl and or methoxy groups present, the types, the numbers and sites of attachments of sugars to the molecule, and the types and the number of aliphatic or aromatic acids that are attached to the sugar in a molecule. No anthocyanin contains more than 3 sugar moieties. Anthocyanin at low pH exhibit orange and red colors, at high pH exhibit blue and purple colors. Berries, currants, grapes are some tropical fruits that have anthocyanins content. Red to purple, blue colored leafy vegetables, grains, roots, and tubers are the edible vegetables that contain a high level of anthocyanins. This is the structure of anthocyanins, and these are the 6 categories of anthocyanins. Coming to the next pigment, tannins. Tannins are special phenolic compounds and are given this name simply because of their ability to combine with proteins and other polymers such as polysaccharides rather than their exact chemical nature. They are water-soluble polyphenolic compounds with molecular weights between 500 and 3000 that have the ability to precipitate alkaloids, gelatin, and other proteins. Tannin range in color from yellowish white to light brown and contribute to astringency in foods. Tannins are found commonly in the bark of trees, wood, leaves, buds, stems, fruits, seeds, roots, and plant galls, generally called as gallnut. These are the structures of tannins. It is a structure of gallic acid and it is a structure of ellagic acid. Hope you all grabbed the contents of this video. Thank you.